A world of choice, convenience, and transparency. Sounds too good to be true, right? What if I tell you that the government is trying to build just that? I am sure that we all can agree that UPI was a transformational step towards building the digital infrastructure of India. And now there is one more such initiative that is going to be a game changer. The ONDC, Open Network for Digital Commerce. Commonly referred to as the UPI for e-commerce, it can be freely accessed to buy and sell goods and services. But wait, don't we already have such e-commerce giants like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. that provide us with the same kind of services? Well, we do. But the main objective here is to create a level playing field for the giants as well as the small offline traders who run local kirana shops in the market. We want to curb our dominance over behemoths like Amazon. An important aspect here is to understand that the government is trying to build an open network which is in contrast to the platform-centric model followed by giants like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So let's proceed to understand the difference between the models here. So Amazon, Flipkart, all these platform-centric companies have sellers that need to enlist themselves to be able to sell their products to the buyers who need to log into the websites in order to make purchases. Now, pay attention to the fact that the buyers and sellers need to be on the same platform in order to make a transaction happen. Naturally, the database of these buyers and sellers remain exclusive to these platforms. Pretty straightforward, right? How is ONDC any different then? Unlike how e-commerce giants operate, the ONDC will not be controlled or operated by a single entity or a platform. It will essentially be an open source network on which buyers and sellers can enlist themselves. And most importantly, the buyers and sellers need not to be on the same platform for the transaction to take place. The format will be very similar to that used in the UPI. Businesses and consumers will be able to carry out transactions over ONDC using any compatible application of their choice or marketplaces such as Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Zomato, Grofers, etc. They will have to register on the platform that will be created by DP, IIT and QCI. Well, all said and done, what's in it for the buyers and the sellers? I mean, let's face the truth. For a long time now, the local store owners and the small traders have been crying foul at the uneven and unfair practices of the e-retailers like Amazon and Flipkart. But this initiative will help millions of small businesses to go online, especially after having suffered from the pandemic. And simultaneously, the buyers will have access to more sellers and therefore more choices. Most importantly, in an era where a 10-minute delivery service is gaining traction, this would enable faster deliveries due to access to hyperlocal retailers. In fact, the revolution has already started. 24 e-commerce startups are working on integrating with the government's ambitious project. The platform already went live in 5 cities, including Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Shillong, Coimbatore on April 29, 2022. Even Paytm Mall has recently joined the ONDC network. And the behemoths like Flipkart, Amazon and Reliance Digital are in talks to join the network. So, do you think that this move by the government can successfully democratize the e-commerce space in India? Let us know in the comment section.